What we're going to do today is to replace this rotted piece of floor. Effectively do the same as what we've done here. So cut along, remove this entire piece, put another one in, seal it, and then that'll be the end of that. And that's the only damage that I've got on this side, because the other side's perfectly fine. So I'll get started on that. So using a circular saw, just managed to cut probably about 10 or 8 mil of the 12 mil of the floor all the way through, and then all I'm doing now is finishing it off with the chisel, and then hopefully we should be able to pry it from the underside. So that's that. That's a bit useless with it not being supported in the back here. Right, so with this piece removed, I've done a bit of a clean up. What I'm going to do now is paint a little bit of the anti-corrosion, anti-rust paint on here, just to give it a bit of a treatment. And as I did on the chassis rails here. So I think now it's going to be straightforward to do, to put that in. We bought marine grade 12 mil plywood, so happy with using that. And so I'll just get with the painting and come back after that. Right, so we've cut out the new piece, put a bit of decking oil, and now we're about to clean the silicone off. And that's pretty much about it for this job. Next comes the wall.